If you need to close your Indeed account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is properly deleted. This process will help you remove your profile and any associated information from the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log in using your email address and password. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find the account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. Here, you should find the option to close or delete your account. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. After following the instructions, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to check your email for any final notifications from Indeed. Once you have completed these steps, your Indeed account will be closed and you will no longer have access to your profile or job applications. If you change your mind in the future, you may need to create a new account.